Welcome to the wonderful world of tummy time. This special time on the floor is more than just playtime. It's a workout for your baby's developing muscles. Tummy time helps your baby grow strong. It helps them learn to move their body in new ways. Think of tummy time as your baby's first gym. They will wiggle, push, and explore. These movements build the strength they need for big milestones. These milestones include rolling, crawling, and even walking. Tummy time is a simple but powerful way to support your baby's development. Let's explore how to make it a positive experience for both of you. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace. Celebrate every milestone, big or small. Tummy time is like a super workout for your little one's muscles. It's an essential part of their daily routine that helps them grow strong and healthy. When your baby lies on their tummy, they use their neck, back, and shoulder muscles to lift their head. This action is like lifting weights for adults, strengthening those crucial muscles. Strong neck and back muscles are important for your baby's overall development. These muscles support their head and spine, providing the foundation for future movements. They help your baby control their head, which is a significant milestone. Head control is the first step towards more complex movements. This control is key for rolling over, sitting up, and crawling. Each of these milestones builds on the strength and coordination developed during tummy time. Later on, these muscles help with balance and coordination. As your baby grows, they'll need these skills for walking, running, and playing. Tummy time also helps prevent flat spots on the back of your baby's head. These flat spots can develop when babies spend too much time lying on their backs. Babies spend a lot of time lying on their backs, especially during sleep. This is important for safe sleep practices. Safe sleep is crucial, but it's also important to balance it with tummy time to ensure your baby's head shape develops properly. But too much time on their back can lead to flat spots, which can affect their skull shape. Tummy time gives their head a break and helps their skull develop a nice round shape. This is essential for their overall appearance and health. Remember, every baby is unique. Some may love tummy time right away, while others might need a bit more time to get used to it. Some babies take to tummy time right away, enjoying the new perspective and the chance to move. Others need a little more encouragement. Parents can help by getting down on the floor with their baby, using toys, or even placing a mirror in front of them to make tummy time more engaging and fun. When can you start tummy time? You can start from day 1. Newborns can enjoy short bursts of tummy time. Start with just a few minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Place your baby on their tummy on a firm, comfortable surface. A playmat or a blanket on the floor works well. You can even lay them on your chest while you're reclining. This gives them a different view and brings them close to you. Watch for cues from your baby. If they seem fussy or uncomfortable, it's okay to stop and try again later. The key is to make tummy time a positive experience. Remember, short and sweet is the key in the beginning. As your baby gets used to tummy time, you can gradually increase the duration. Section 4. Fun on the floor, toys and togetherness. Make tummy time engaging and fun for your little one. Place colorful toys within their easy reach. Babies love to look at contrasting colors and interesting patterns. You can use toys that make sounds or have different textures. Get down on the floor with your baby. Your presence is the best encouragement for them. Talk to them, sing songs, or make funny faces. This interaction makes tummy time more enjoyable. You can also use a baby-safe mirror. Babies love to look at themselves in the mirror. A mirror can hold their attention and encourage them to lift their head. Remember, tummy time shouldn't feel like a chore. Keep it playful, fun, and engaging. Section 5. Comfort is key, creating a cozy tummy time space. Tummy time is an essential part of your baby's development, helping to strengthen their neck, shoulder, and arm muscles. But for many babies, it can be a bit of a challenge at first. Not all babies enjoy tummy time at first. It's common for them to feel uncomfortable or even fuss and cry during these initial sessions. Some might find it a bit challenging. They may struggle to lift their heads or find it difficult to stay in the position for long periods. You can make it more comfortable for your baby by placing a rolled-up towel under their chest. This simple adjustment can provide the support they need to lift their head more easily and make the experience more enjoyable. This gives them a bit of support and helps them lift their head more easily. With this added support, your baby can gradually build the strength needed for tummy time. Make sure the room is well lit and at a comfortable temperature. A cozy environment can make a significant difference in how your baby feels during tummy time. You want your baby to feel relaxed and happy during tummy time. A calm and soothing atmosphere can help them associate tummy time with positive feelings. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight or near drafts. These can make your baby uncomfortable and disrupt their focus during tummy time. Choose a soft, clean surface for tummy time. A clean and safe area ensures that your baby can move freely without any discomfort. A playmat or a blanket on the floor works well. These surfaces provide a safe and engaging space for your baby to explore and practice their movements. Avoid using soft surfaces like beds or sofas, as these can increase the risk of suffocation. It's important to ensure that the surface is firm enough to support your baby's movements safely. Remember, a comfortable baby is a happy baby. When your baby feels secure and supported, they are more likely to enjoy tummy time and benefit from it. Pay attention to your little one's cues and adjust their position as needed. Being attentive to their needs and making small adjustments can make tummy time a more pleasant experience for both of you. Engage with your baby during tummy time by playing with them or offering toys to reach for. This interaction can make tummy time more fun and stimulating, encouraging your baby to stay in the position longer. Introducing colorful and interesting toys can capture your baby's attention and motivate them to lift their head and reach out, further enhancing their development. Always stay close to your baby during tummy time to provide reassurance and support. Your presence can make them feel safe and more willing to engage in this important activity. Cheer them on and celebrate their efforts, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement can boost their confidence and make tummy time a rewarding experience. Section 6. Gradual progress for growing muscles. As your baby grows stronger, you can gradually increase the duration of tummy time. Start with a few minutes at a time and gradually work your way up to longer sessions. You can aim for 3 sessions of tummy time per day, lasting for about 10 to 15 minutes each. However, it's okay if your baby doesn't reach this duration right away. Follow your baby's lead and let them guide you. If your baby seems tired or frustrated, it's okay to take a break. You can always try again later. The key is to make tummy time a positive experience that your baby enjoys. Remember, consistency is key. Even short bursts of tummy time throughout the day can make a big difference in your baby's development. Section 7. Safety first. Supervise your little explorer. Tummy time is an essential part of your baby's development, but it must be done safely. Safety is paramount during tummy time. This special activity helps your baby build strength and coordination, but it also requires your full attention. Never leave your baby unattended during tummy time, even for a moment. Babies can quickly get into dangerous situations if not closely watched. Always stay close and supervise them closely. Your presence not only ensures their safety, but also provides comfort and encouragement. Make sure the tummy time area is free from any hazards, such as small objects, cords, or loose blankets. A clear space allows your baby to move freely and explore without risk. These items could pose a choking or suffocation risk. Always double-check the area before starting tummy time. Always place your baby on their back to sleep, not on their tummy. This is a critical safety measure to prevent any potential dangers during sleep. This is crucial for reducing the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. A safe sleep environment is just as important as a safe play environment. Remember, your baby's safety is your top priority. Your attentive care during tummy time and sleep can make a significant difference in their well-being. By following these safety tips, you can ensure that tummy time is a safe and enjoyable experience for your little one. It's a wonderful opportunity for bonding and growth. Consistent tummy time helps your baby thrive. It strengthens their neck, shoulders, and arms, preparing them for future milestones like crawling and sitting up. It helps them grow strong and explore their world. Providing a variety of safe toys can make tummy time more engaging and fun for your baby. So relax, enjoy the journey, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Each moment of tummy time is a step towards your baby's healthy development and a chance to create lasting memories together.